Ooh, Versace. Hello, we were in Vegas for 3 days, so when we went back we had some packages. So I guess I had this hard job to open these packages. So we start with the first one, the one from Native. So it's a combo. Just I hope I'll be able to open it easily. Yeah, I think so. Oh, really protect like if it's something really.
That's
So
a lot.
I love the sentence they use. It's like a high five in the mail. So this is just the refill of body wash we need.
Nice packaging.
And the other one.
How many did you buy?
So look the difference. You have matcha sweet cream, key, lime and sugar, and oat milk latte. So if you want to know the information about the size, it's 11.5 O's or 340 milliliters.
How much each?
It's around, if I don't do any boo-boo, it's $25 the set. So yeah, at least we have some to try. They are really good, easily to remove with the shower, and light smell, so I like this brand. This is my favorite, available at Target. After, I will start with this one.
What is that? I think that's my happy birthday to you. That's my gift to Sebastian.
But see, I always am saying it's hard to work, to make money. It's hard to spend it, because look at the hard job I have to open this package.
Ooh, Versace.
So you have a magnetic case. I guess they try to be the same as Vuitton. You don't have any nice sentence, so yeah, it's disappointing. But yeah. So you have the receipt and the sealed paper, or the Scott paper, I don't know. But yeah. Wow, you have a pochette for each of the swimsuit of Versace. Look above. You have different colors. You have red, blue, electric blue, and marine blue. No?
Show us one.
No, not just one, both of them. I will show you the details. So I think if you follow us on YouTube, you saw me already wearing the black version. Just unfortunately I'm swimming a lot, maybe too much, so it's starting to be a little like used, the back. So that's why Carlo, he was thinking that's good to have some to be able to handle the swimsuit stress. So you have a zip, like partant. You have a protection, and look at this beauty.
Nice.
So it's blue. You have this nice like belt, no? What's the name?
Elastic.
And you have that, look, the hologram, the size, and you can scan it for check if it's an original one. But just here down this hologram, you have like what's the name, like an alarm, like a magnetic one, and so you put your iPhone there, and it's like scanning the I don't know, like the
authenticity of it.
Yeah, and like giving you the proof it's original or not. It's also showing you where did you buy it. So and look at the inside. It's like that. Sometimes with Carlo we're sad because it should be nice
Reversible. Yeah. That would be nice, yeah.
But it's also nice. Just here it's like ugly. So yeah.
Nice.
So if you want to know the details about this product, I don't know if I have. Or here you can see the explanation about the one I was telling you.
Oh yeah, there you go. I'll take a picture of that. There you go. Okay.
And
To prevent from counterfeiting.
yeah.
Yeah, counterfeiting. Yeah.
So and for the yeah, as you can see, the quality made in Italy. And they were saying, we need to wash it with the hand, no washing machine.
Oh, that's why, probably.
They were saying lavaggio a mano delicato con sapone neutro. Oh, with soap. Soft soap, not even laundry soap. Oh, that's why. Okay. Okay, and not dryer.
Oh, no drying it. Okay.
Yeah, hand wash gently using mild detergent. Do not bleach. Do not tumble. Dry. Do not iron. Delicate. Dry clean.
You wanna show us the other two?
Yeah.
Well, this one is my favorite color.
Unfortunately, you will not be able to use the size number 3.
I know that's the only thing because I'm size 4 and then he's size 3.
So
wow.
Look at that.
Nice.
So why Carlo did he pick that
Yeah,
for me?
and it's not summer anymore. Why did we bought those?
So why? Try to think about it. When we will go to the beach, Carlo, he will see me right away where I am go. If I'm going talking with somebody,
So that I can see you clearly.
or if I want to die in the water, he will be able to save me. Right away. I'm here.
I can clearly see you.
So again, the same inside. Super nice.
Nice.
And yeah, after we have the red one. For the same, nice elastic.
Nice.
And the back.
Yes.
And inside.
Yes, of course.
So, yeah.
Which one's your favorite color?
I think I love both of the colors. Probably this one is look original.
Yeah.
And with the tan of the sun. Cool.
Yeah. Okay.
So after that,
we have figs. He's gonna unbox it for us, but then I'm the one gonna do the talking. That this one, because I got a new job, I'm moving on from another job to another, so I bought a coat.
But you have woman white W?
Yeah, it's for women because they don't have a men's.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so this one, this is our first figs.
Made in Vietnam, size L. And
hopefully it's gonna be fitting good. So yeah, yeah.
This is the same thing too. Huh?
Yeah. So I bought 2, so that I have one.
You can wash one.
Yeah. And I have.
Oh, wow.
I know.
You put the name.
Yes, just one.
Oh wow, so cool. So as you can see, you have the same concept of Versace. You have the silk paper.
And it's a short one.
Oh wow, you have even that on the back.
Yeah.
For when you win weight or
Stupid. There you go.
Oh wow, super nice. Like that I can call him doctor.
And then I do have C. Marcelo Salcedo, occupational therapy. I made that one embroidered on that. So yeah, the good thing about this one is that it does have some pockets, a lot of pockets actually, and then inside there's pockets in here too. So yeah, and then there's a secret pocket on here on this side. So
zip.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Straighten it up. Let's see, and then so I can take a picture of it. Yay!
On the back.
Yeah. And there's the Fig logo.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. And then tomorrow probably I'll take a picture of that wearing that one, and then yeah, let's see if the size is good. So yeah, so this is a celebration for the new job that I have. I will keep you posted on that. And then these ones are the celebration for my baby's birthday.
So I think he can just wear that and this one under. Like half respectable and half flat.
Ay. Anyway, do you want to say goodbye already?
So yeah, I was talking a lot. I think Carlo.
Yeah, I know.
It's already 11:33.
Mhm.
So yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. So I hope you will have a good day or a good evening, and yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. We added some videos. Carlos he will put on YouTube, and like always, don't forget to comment on below, to put a like, and yeah, to not unsubscribe us. So bye bye.
So this is how it looks like. So there's a pocket on here, 2 pockets on the left side, a pocket on the right side, and then the one with the zip is on here. And then inside you can put your valuables like your AirPods, your ring or whatever, and then your glasses on here. And then on the other side your stethoscope.
Oh, wow.
See? Like so. And then you can embroider it. That's an extra, but yeah. So how do I look? I know the clothes inside it's not good, but yeah. So yeah, and then this one is a wiggle room if I'm going to be fatter. So yeah.